Mars. It is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the Solar System, being only larger than Mercury. Mariner 9 was launched successfully on May 30, 1971, and became the first artificial satellite of Mars when it arrived and went into orbit. NASA's Viking project found a place in history when it became the first mission to land a spacecraft safely on the surface of another planet. And now, the first crew of 4 astronauts were to land on Mars in 2025. So, how it will feel to live on Mars? What will astronauts see while keeping their first step on Mars? Which difficulties will they suffer? Hello and welcome to Question Spot. Today we will explore the answer of how to survive on Mars. So let's get started. The first thing to do for surviving is staying warm. Because it is farther away from the Sun than Earth, Mars is very cold. Sunlight and heat reaching the red planet is a lot less than what Earth gets. Also, the Martian atmosphere is not as thick as Earth's atmosphere, which keeps our planet warm. Finding water. There is evidence of water on Mars's soil and atmosphere, and astronauts may be able to extract it. Scientists have looked at perchlorate, a type of salt that contains the ion chlorine tetroxide and is present all over Mars. Perchlorate sucks up water out of the air, and astronauts could extract the water present in Mars's perchlorate. Growing food. Astronauts could use Mars's natural resources to grow food. Mars's atmosphere consists mostly of carbon dioxide, an essential gas for plant survival. And Martian soil has the essential nutrients plants need to survive. But because the availability of these nutrients may vary depending on where astronauts land, the soil may need to be fertilized. Plants will also need to be grown inside environments with tolerable temperatures. Blocking radiation. Space is a harsh environment with dangerously high energy radiation, especially from the Sun. We are protected from most of this radiation thanks to our planet's atmosphere and magnetic field, known as the magnetosphere. But Mars has no magnetosphere, and its atmosphere is over 100 times thinner than Earth's atmosphere. The trip to Mars and the stay on Mars will mean extended radiation exposure. Astronauts will need special habitats, suits, and machines that will protect them from radiation, which otherwise could cause cancer. All of these challenges, and more, await the first humans who will set foot on Mars. Because the first manned mission to Mars is more than a decade away, scientists and engineers still have time to look for and address other potential challenges that humans will face on their way to the Red Planet, when they live there, and on their way back to Earth. Can you think of other issues or problems that humans will face and how they could be addressed? I hope you have learned something new today. If yes, then explore the subscribe button and hit it. Also watch my another videos here. Don't forget to ask your questions below. Let's explore all at one spot. Thank you.